Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this delicious and easy meal with 4 ingredients from the Dollar Tree. For my cheap Polish sausage dinner, you will need 1 package of pioneer brown gravy, 1 package of Polish sausage, 1 package of mashed potatoes, and 1 package of California blend vegetables. First thing I'm going to do is to cut my Polish sausage into bite-sized pieces. Just want to cut it in half. Then flip it onto the flat side and then cut these in small pieces. I'm going to turn my skillet onto medium heat and put about 1 tablespoon of oil into my skillet. I'm going to let that come up to temperature. Now that my skillet is warm, I am going to put my Polish sausage into the skillet. I am going to stir this around until the outsides of the Polish sausage has browned. In my skillet with my Polish sausage, I want to put 2 cups of water over the Polish sausage and let that come to a boil. I have 3/4 cup of water in my measuring cup. I'm going to add the gravy packet. I want to whisk this well so all the powder is mixed into the liquid. Once it's fully mixed, I want to add it into my skillet with the Polish sausage. And I'm going to bring this back to a boil, stirring occasionally until the gravy thickens. Another skillet, and I put 1 tablespoon of butter in it. I'm going to put my whole package of my mixed vegetables, and I will also add a 1/2 cup of water. I'm going to turn this on to medium heat and let this come up to a boil. You'll want to stir your vegetables once in a while also. Your vegetables, you want to put about 1 tablespoon of Mrs. Dash, onion powder, and salt and pepper to taste. You want to give that a stir and continue cooking your vegetables until all the water has evaporated. Now that all of my water is evaporated, I want to slightly brown the vegetables up. In this pot, I have 4 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm going to put some Mrs. Dash in the water and some fresh ground pepper. I want to give this a stir and bring this to a boil. My water is boiling and my butter has melted. I'm going to take the entire pack of the flaked potatoes, put them into my pot, and stir them. They will get thick instantly. If you find yourself having to ball in on a budget, you should subscribe to my channels because I have plenty of videos like this to help you save money on feeding your family. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.